Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the whiteout wig by HairDo in the color whiteout. It only comes in one color, so basically you're buying this wig for the color, so you have to really love this color if you're buying this one. It's totally superhero hair. It looks like superhero hair, especially in this ultra platinum-y white kind of color. The color is actually a blend. It's like a 60, but it's not like a super pure 60. You can kind of see it has little bits of platinum in there as well. But I mean, overall, it's definitely mostly a white color. It's very, very, very pale. Very high fashion, very cool looking. Is not gray. So if you're looking for something that's like gray to be like anime cool, this is not really gonna get you there. It's more of a white for sure. But it's really pretty, or like an ice platinum if you think of it that way. Looks a little bit like the Illumina R color from Noriko if you think of it that way too, except the rooting here is a little bit lighter. It's more like a medium brown as opposed to a dark brown. Really cool color. So let's talk about this wig for a moment. Before I do anything else, I would like to show you what whiteout looks like from all sides. This is a super pretty wig. I love the texture on this that it comes with out of the box, but it is a heat-friendly synthetic wig, so you can heat style this up to 350 degrees with conventional heat styling tools. Just bear in mind, if you straighten this wig, you know, it's not like it's permed. So once you straighten it out, you're gonna have to curl it again with heat tools to get this curl back into place. Another thing to keep in mind is that these heat-friendly synthetics are kind of hard to take care of, especially in the longer lengths. So you're definitely going to want to be kind of aware of that before you invest in one of these wigs. But the good thing is that these HairDo wigs tend to be at a really low price point. Part of that is because of the cap construction, which I'll show you in just a moment. It's real basic cap construction, but here it really works to your benefit because you can get into a really cute wig in a really interesting color without really shelling out a whole lot of cash for it, which we like. So without further ado, let me talk some specs, then we'll take off the cap and then we'll call it a day, all right? So this wig weighs 5.4 ounces, so she's a substantial wig. She's got a lot of hair on her. The front is 10.5 inches, so quite long, ends below my jaw here. The crown down is also 10.5, so that's nice. It's kind of like symmetrically cut around this way. The sides are 13.5. The back is also 13.5, so again, very symmetrically cut layered wig here. And then the nape is also 13.5. So you can see it's a long wig, but it's not super long. This is not a boob hugger. It's just a really nice long length, and it's got this luscious sort of gentle feminine curl pattern right out of the box. I haven't styled it, haven't combed it, haven't done anything to it. All I did was put it on and go like that. Oh, and I changed the part. I made it a straighter part because it came with a zigzag part, but I haven't done anything to this wig. It just kind of looks fabulous right out of the box. Okay, let's get down to business about the cap construction here on this whiteout wig. Like all the HairDo wigs, it's super standard cap construction. As you can see here, it's just real basic. It does have a bit of fuzzy felt here at the front hairline for comfort and to help it stop from slipping back. It is very nice for that felt up against hair, actually, because it kind of prevents it from slipping a little bit. It is permateased on top. It's a very stretchy cap, very comfortable cap. We've got open ear tabs, so this one's easy to wear glasses with. It's also open on the sides and the back. We have an extended nape on this one that's open. Also has a little band of felt here, and you can use these Velcro adjusters to adjust that. So let's take a look at the top of whiteout. It comes with this crisscross part. Let's fix that. So this one has permatease on top that helps obscure the wefts on top. And it's also cool because this one by default comes in a rooted color, which also helps sort of obscure those wefts. This is a lot of hair, and that's that texture up close. I haven't combed it or anything. All I did was adjust the part. So beautiful texture right out of the box. Very, very cool wig. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on for you now. So this has been the CysterWigs review of the whiteout wig by HairDo. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. If you get a moment, please be sure to check out my wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.